In this video, we will see some features of the content of this course, C++ Programming for Engineering. Once you enter to this course, you will see in front of you a front page such as we have here. It starts with a welcome message having the main goals that we will reach after we finish this course by summarizing them into these 2 points that we have here. Followed by that, we have contact information. We have the contact information with the instructor and some help phones that we can reach whenever we have any problem with the system itself or anything related to the course. You can always click on the private message system and directly send a message to your instructor, or maybe call him at this office phone number during office hours, or maybe even call this hot number for any assistant with the system itself. Saying that, you can now go into the course content by sliding down in the page, starting with chapter 1. These are the objectives of chapter 1. Whenever you see this link here, this means it's a lesson, as once you hover on the link you can see it written as a tag there. These are graded activities, homeworks, activities. There will be icons, friendly icons, as submitting a page with the hand. This icon means there is you're gonna submit something, means there's an activity there. These two face-to-face icons means that this is a forum, a place that you have to interact with your peer students, share knowledge, and have things told together regarding the course. I just clicked on that part of the course now. Here we have, for example, a question being asked by your instructor and having some directions how to interact in this forum. And this is a sample of interaction between students. To read this table here, this is a discussion started by, for example, here a student named Suleiman, and he posted something regarding discussion in the subject of information. He had 2 replies. Last posted by Abdurrahman. To read this information, you just click on that link, and this is the main post that was sent by Suleiman, and these are replies. This is number 1 by Fawaz, this is number 2 by Abdurrahman. You can always either reply, split, or see the parent thread if it was a long thread. This is another topic and having some replies on it. You can always reply to your student, and to come back to the main page, always remember to click on the course name itself. It will always take you directly to the main page. So it's very simple to browse this page here and go back to the main front page. Regarding the content, you can always click on the lesson itself. This is the main piece of information you have to read throughout the course. Going through section by section, reading the content here, and notice any things to do that has been directed by your instructor, such as we have here at the bottom of the screen. The instructor might link to some activities that are on the main front page, as we have here. The instructor might even point to some external homepage and ask you for some feedback. All these has to be taken into consideration. Make sure you read through the content that the instructor has summarized here, and always make sure you don't just skim it as I'm doing now. Otherwise you'll be trapped with a question like we have here, a question that you can always only answer after you have read the content before the slide. So to answer properly, I should have been paying attention, but I wasn't, because I was describing what I was to show you now. So this is why I've got this feedback here. Wrong. ALU is not responsible for something that was being asked in the question here. So clicking continue, it will take me back to the material so I can read it carefully this time. And as you maybe noticed, it took me back one slide to drive my attention that the answer will start from this slide. Once I click on continue, it will take me to further read the instructions and then the question. Please notice that the system have shuffled the answers. So if you are a person that goes systematically on each and every answer once in a time, the system will make sure that you don't have your life easy by selecting them in the same sequence, because every time it's gonna shuffle them around. So you have to read it carefully and pay attention. I'm not gonna select the correct solution, otherwise you'll imitate me and bypass this knowledge. I'll go back here to the main front page and see what other things. Yeah, before I finish, there's one nice thing here, that student will post their high scores, showing up yourself. If you're the first student to finish and complete these questions with a high score, you can just put your nickname there. It will show up your score and your name, the nickname that you selected. Next, every chapter is followed by a very short online quiz. You're free to take the quiz anytime during the 24 hours that is announced in the upcoming events, and also it is written. Once you click on the checkpoint, further direction is given. Wow, this is only a 50-second quiz. Since it's only 2 questions, you'll get more time at later quizzes, so don't panic. Not all our quizzes are 50 seconds. We'll have longer time to answer later questions. Make sure you don't pass the due dates. Everything is posted there, and that's it. So you're ready now to start having your online experience, and I'll be happy to answer any questions through the private message system or through my office hotline. Sometimes this is connected to my mobile phone, so you might be lucky and have me on the other phone even outside the office hours. That's all to say now. See you in the next video.